Article practice. Article daily habits. Many people have daily habits that they follow to maintain a healthy lifestyle. They wake up early in the morning and start their day with some exercise. Most individuals prefer to do yoga or go for a run. After exercising, they take a shower and have breakfast. A typical breakfast includes fruits, eggs, or oatmeal. After breakfast, they prepare for work or school. They usually leave home around 8 a.m. During the day, they work on various tasks and attend meetings. Lunchtime is an important part of their day. They often eat lunch with colleagues or friends, sharing stories and enjoying their meals. In the evening, people relax and unwind. Some watch TV, while others read books or spend time with family. They enjoy hobbies like painting, gardening, or playing sports. Before going to bed, they reflect on their day and prepare for the next one. Questions. What do many people do to maintain a healthy lifestyle? What do they prefer to do in the morning? What does a typical breakfast include? What do people do during lunchtime? How do people relax in the evening? What hobbies do some people enjoy? What do they do before going to bed? Answers. They wake up early and start their day with some exercise. They prefer to do yoga or go for a run. A typical breakfast includes fruits, eggs, or oatmeal. They often eat lunch with colleagues or friends. Some watch TV, while others read books or spend time with family. They enjoy hobbies like painting, gardening, or playing sports. They reflect on their day and prepare for the next one. Article: The importance of reading. Reading is a valuable habit that many people cultivate. It enriches the mind and expands knowledge. People read various materials, such as books, newspapers, and online articles. Reading enhances vocabulary and improves writing skills. Children who read regularly perform better in school. They develop a love for learning and are more curious about the world. Adults who read often find it easier to understand complex subjects and think critically. Many individuals set aside time each day for reading. They enjoy immersing themselves in different genres, such as fiction, non-fiction, or self-help. Book clubs are popular, as they allow people to discuss and share their thoughts on what they read. In addition to personal enjoyment, reading can be a great stress reliever. People often escape into stories and find comfort in the characters and plots. Overall, reading is an essential part of personal development. Questions. Why is reading considered a valuable habit? What types of materials do people read? How does reading benefit children in school? What do adults gain from reading regularly? How do people incorporate reading into their daily routine? Why are book clubs popular? How does reading help relieve stress? Answers. Reading enriches the mind and expands knowledge. People read books, newspapers, and online articles. Children who read regularly perform better in school. Adults find it easier to understand complex subjects and think critically. Many individuals set aside time each day for reading. Book clubs allow people to discuss and share their thoughts on what they read. Reading allows people to escape into stories and find comfort in the characters. Article: Benefits of exercise. Exercise is essential for maintaining good health. Many people engage in various forms of physical activity, such as jogging, swimming, or attending fitness classes. Regular exercise strengthens the body, improves cardiovascular health, and boosts energy levels. In addition to physical benefits, exercise plays a crucial role in mental health. It helps reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Many individuals find that after a workout, they feel more relaxed and focused. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. People often establish a routine to include exercise in their daily lives. Some prefer to work out in the morning, while others choose the evening. Joining a gym or participating in group classes can also make exercising more enjoyable and motivating. Incorporating exercise into a daily routine can lead to better sleep and improved overall well-being. It's essential to find an activity that one enjoys, making it easier to stick to a fitness. Questions. Why is exercise essential for good health? What forms of physical activity do people engage in? How does exercise benefit mental health? What do many individuals feel after a workout? How can joining a gym help with exercising? What are the benefits of incorporating exercise into a daily routine? Why is it important to find an activity you enjoy? Answers. Exercise strengthens the body and improves cardiovascular health. People engage in jogging, swimming, or attending fitness classes. Exercise helps reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Many individuals feel more relaxed and focused after a workout. Joining a gym can make exercising more enjoyable and motivating. Incorporating exercise can lead to better sleep and improved well-being. Finding an activity you enjoy makes it easier to stick to a fitness plan. Article: The Joy of Cooking. Cooking is an enjoyable activity for many people. It allows individuals to express their creativity and try new flavors. Some people cook for fun, while others do it out of necessity. Many enjoy preparing meals for family and friends, making cooking a social event. Different cultures have their unique culinary traditions. People often explore recipes from various cuisines, including Italian, Indian, and Mexican. Cooking at home is not only cost-effective but also healthier than eating out. Home-cooked meals can be tailored to suit dietary preferences and restrictions. Many individuals find cooking therapeutic. Chopping vegetables, stirring sauces, and baking bread can be relaxing activities. Some even use cooking as a way to unwind after a long day. Cooking also provides a sense of accomplishment when a delicious meal is created. Overall, cooking is a valuable skill that brings people together and enhances well-being. Questions. Why do many people enjoy cooking? What do some people cook for? How do different cultures influence cooking? What are the benefits of cooking at home? Why do some individuals find cooking therapeutic? How can cooking enhance well-being? What feelings do people experience when they create a meal? Answers. Cooking allows individuals to express their creativity and try new flavors. Some people cook for fun, while others do it out of necessity. Different cultures have their unique culinary traditions. Cooking at home is cost-effective and healthier than eating out. Cooking can be relaxing and a way to unwind after a long day. Cooking brings people together and provides a sense of accomplishment. People feel a sense of accomplishment when they create a delicious meal. Article: A productive day. Every productive day begins with a good morning routine. Many people wake up around 6 a.m. to start their day. They often begin by drinking a glass of water to hydrate themselves. After that, some engage in light stretching or yoga to energize their bodies. This helps them feel more awake and ready for the day ahead. Following their morning exercises, individuals take a shower and get dressed for work or school. Breakfast is an important part of their routine. Most people prefer a healthy breakfast that includes fruits, whole grains, and proteins. This fuels them for the busy day ahead. After breakfast, they usually head out by 8 a.m. Throughout the day, They attend meetings, complete tasks, and interact with colleagues. Lunchtime provides a break where they often eat with friends or coworkers. Sharing a meal helps them relax and recharge. In the evening, people return home and take some time to unwind. They might read a book, watch a show, or spend time with family. Before going to bed, they plan for the next day, ensuring they stay organized and prepared. Questions. What time do many people wake up to start their day? What do they do after drinking a glass of water? Why is breakfast an important part of their routine? What do they usually do during lunchtime? How do people unwind in the evening? What do individuals do before going to bed? How does having a morning routine contribute to productivity? Answers. Many people wake up around 6 a.m. They engage in light stretching or yoga. Breakfast provides energy for the busy day ahead. They often eat with friends or coworkers during lunchtime. They might read a book, watch a show, or spend time with family. They plan for the next day to stay organized. A morning routine helps individuals start their day with energy and focus. Article: My weekend routine. Weekends are a time for relaxation and catching up on personal interests. I usually wake up later than on weekdays, around 8 a.m. The first thing I do is enjoy a cup of coffee while reading the newspaper. This moment allows me to relax and stay informed about the world. After breakfast, I like to spend time outdoors. I often go for a walk in the park or do some gardening. Being in nature refreshes my mind and body. On sunny days, I enjoy having a picnic with friends or family. In the afternoon, I dedicate some time to my hobbies. I love painting, so I often set up my easel and work on a new piece. This creative outlet helps me express myself and unwind. Sometimes, I also watch movies or read books to escape into different worlds. In the evening, I prepare a nice dinner and invite friends over. We enjoy good food and lively conversations. Weekends are also a great time to catch up on sleep, so I make sure to get to bed early on Sunday night to be ready for the week ahead. Questions. What time does the author usually wake up on weekends? What does the author do while enjoying coffee? How does the author like to spend time outdoors? What hobby does the author dedicate time to in the afternoon? How does the author feel about painting? What does the author do in the evening? Why is catching up on sleep important for the author? Answers. The author usually wakes up around 8 a.m. The author reads the newspaper while enjoying coffee. The author goes for a walk in the park or does some gardening. The author dedicates time to painting in the afternoon. The author feels that painting helps him express himself and unwind. The author prepares a nice dinner and invites friends over. Catching up on sleep helps the author be ready for the week ahead. Article: A typical school day. Every school day starts early for students. Most students wake up around 6:30 a.m. They quickly get ready for school, taking a shower, brushing their teeth, and putting on their uniforms. A healthy breakfast is essential, so they often eat eggs, toast, or cereal before leaving home. Students usually leave for school by 7:30 a.m. They either walk, ride their bicycles, or take the bus. Upon arriving at school, they meet their friends and attend their first class at 8 a.m. The school day is filled with various subjects, including math, science, and English. During lunchtime, students gather in the cafeteria to eat together. This is a time to relax, share stories, and enjoy each other's company. After lunch, they return to class for more learning activities. The school day ends around 3 p.m. Students either go home or participate in extracurricular activities such as sports or music lessons. Once home, they often do their homework, which helps reinforce what they learned in class. After completing their studies, many enjoy some free time before dinner. Questions. What time do most students wake up for school? What do students do after getting ready? How do students usually leave for school? What subjects do students study during the school day? What do students do during lunchtime? What extracurricular activities do students participate in after school? Why is homework important for students? Answers. Most students wake up around 6:30 a.m. After getting ready, students have a healthy breakfast. Students either walk, ride their bicycles, or take the bus. Students study math, science, and English during the school day. During lunchtime, students eat together and relax. Students participate in sports or music lessons after school. Homework is important because it helps reinforce what they learned in class. Article. A typical business day. A typical business day for many professionals begins early in the morning. Most employees wake up around 7 a.m. to prepare for the day ahead. After a quick shower and breakfast, they get dressed in business attire and review their schedules. Many people find it helpful to make a to-do list to prioritize tasks for the day. By 8:30 a.m., employees arrive at the office. The first task of the day often involves checking emails and responding to urgent messages. Meetings are a significant part of the workday, and employees usually have several scheduled throughout the day. These meetings can range from team briefings to discussions with clients. Lunchtime is an essential break for professionals. Many employees prefer to eat with colleagues, using the time to relax and socialize. After lunch, the work continues with a focus on completing projects and meeting deadlines. As the day progresses, employees often have to attend conference calls or video meetings, especially if they work with teams in different locations. The workday typically ends around 5:30 p.m. After finishing their tasks, many employees take a moment to review what they accomplished and plan for the next day. Once home, they may take time to unwind, have dinner, or spend time with family. Some professionals also use the evening to catch up on work or read industry-related articles to stay informed. Questions. What time do most employees wake up to start their business day? What do employees do after getting dressed? What is usually the first task of the day at the office? Why is lunchtime considered an essential break for professionals? What types of meetings do employees attend during the day? What do many employees do after finishing their tasks for the day? How do professionals often use their evenings? Answers. Most employees wake up around 7 a.m. After getting dressed, employees review their schedules and make a to-do list. The first task of the day often involves checking emails. Lunchtime is considered an essential break because it allows professionals to relax and socialize. Employees attend meetings ranging from team briefings to discussions with clients. After finishing their tasks, many employees review what they accomplished and plan for the next day. Professionals often use their evenings to unwind, have dinner, or catch up on work.